Hi guys, we have a super fun video today. We have a pick a card video today that is about who has a crush on you. I'm Julie, by the way, if you don't know me. If you want to know who has a crush on you, this reading was juicy. Oh my god, I enjoyed doing this so much. If you have other ideas of like this sort of fun type of reading that I can do, please let me know. And if you don't like fun readings but you want something a little more serious, I have some as well, some uploaded and some coming up. I hope you enjoy. I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay connected. I have 2 Instagrams and a bunch of videos. Please leave me a thumbs up or a comment if it resonates. Please tell me your stories. It really helps me like build confidence, and when I'm more confident about my readings, I'm just getting better at it and more attuned. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one, and yeah, let's have fun. Thanks for watching. I want to see today who has a secret crush on you. Ooh, I'm so excited. So pile number 1 is the pink, pile number 2 is the green, pile number 3 is the blue. Let's see who has a secret crush on you. I love this. Oh my god, this is so exciting. Pile number 1, the pink. Who's your secret admirer? That reminds me of that game. Do you remember that game in the 90s, if you were alive? Where, we had like a phone and there was like a secret admirer. I don't know if you remember it. Okay. I feel like that person's obsessed with you and they're just planning on a way to get you into their heart. So yeah, that person's obsessed with you. They're planning and calculating on how can they get you. Whoa, this is like a little obsessive. This is like that person, it's somebody who like they low-key want to have a baby with you. Like they're serious about this. It is there's a little bit of pride, I guess, a little bit of pride and a little bit of a past where they've been hurt. So sorry. Yeah, I feel like they've been hurt in the past, and so they're really thinking a lot about it. Like they're thinking, they're contemplating. Look at this. How could I get him or her? How could I get there? What could I do? But at the same time, they're kind of looking at you like, my precious, how could I get it? I don't know. I just feel like, yeah, they're ready to spend money on you. They want to conquer you. They really they want this so bad. It's like, I hope it's a healthy person. I think it is just a healthy person that's been like really hurt in the past, but I feel like they feel like you're way out of their league and they really want to seduce you. Here we go. I hope you find out who it is, and if like something happens, come back and tell me. Please tell me if it does happen, and yeah, tell me if it resonates with you. Point number 2, my green people, who has a crush on you? I love this so much. Who has a crush on you? Ooh, wow. Wow, what does that mean? I see marriage, I see power, I see luck, I see, wow. I feel like that person thinks that maybe you're not gonna want them because they don't have enough money, they really like, they feel like they definitely want to get lucky with you. I heard that in my head, by the way. They want to get lucky with you. They want to marry you and everything like that. But I just feel like don't know, maybe they're a little bit in denial. Like they feel like they're worthless when they're not. And I feel like, yeah, because you don't see them, they think that you don't care about them. Where really it's just that you don't know they like you. I feel like, yeah, you don't know they like you. I feel like they have a lot to give. That could even be like some kind of soul connection. But they're afraid. They're chicken shit. I hope you figured out who it is. Okay, so I hope this resonates with you. You can leave me a comment to tell me your story. And if you don't want to share your story, you can still leave a thumbs up. And you can check out my other pick a card videos, or you can check out my Instagram, or you can check out my other manifestation videos, or my get to know me videos, or my filmmaking work, whatever you're curious about. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a great day. Pile number 3, the blue people. I'm so excited to see who has a crush on you. Ooh, money in abundance. Oh, strong masculine energy. Oh, this is somebody who's gonna go straight to the point. This is somebody that's gonna come towards you, or already maybe has told you. That person's straight to the point. It's gonna just hit on you like loud and clear. I feel like that person has money or has a lot of abundance. They have a lot for themselves, and they know it, and they're very confident, but they also like they can get like, if it's I feel like it's a guy or somebody with a strong magnetic male energy. It could be like I said before, like it could be a woman like Angelina Jolie or Megan Fox. They have like this strong masculine energy. You can tell they can have anyone they want, like that type of person. And if it's a man, same thing. But I feel like that person is very manipulative and can be a little bit toxic. So they're gonna hit on you. They're gonna try to do whatever they want to have you, which means that they might even buy you stuff. But don't get tempted by that. Don't get tempted by the flattery. Really, they might even show up as somebody spiritual, but they're not. They're low vibration. So you gotta be very careful. They're very seductive. I feel like it is a toxic person. It could be an energy vampire. It could be a low vibration person. It could be a narcissist. They have a crush on you and they're very seductive, but you need to stay away. I hope this helped you. I hope this helped you especially stay away from that person. If somebody just showed up or shows up tomorrow and tells you that they're into you, just know that this is who they are, right? So yeah, I hope this really helps you. And if you have a story, please come and tell me in the comment, or tell me now if it already happened, or if you feel like it could be happening, or if you think that you know who it is, please let me know. And if you want to keep your story private, just leave me a thumbs up so I know I'm in the right and I can keep helping more people and also flatter my ego a little bit. So if you want to see more pick a card video, I have more, and I have more coming on my channel. And I also have manifestation videos, I have filmmaking videos, I have get to know me videos, I have a bunch of stuff. So I also have 2 Instagrams if you want to check them out. And yeah, if you're interested to get to know me, maybe we can be friends. Let me know. I was very excited to do this reading, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and be careful, like don't be tempted, because that's temptation right there. And they're insisting, okay? I love you very, very much. Bye.